fact that this handful of lunatics killed all those people? That's such a painful, horrible reality. I don't find the truth comforting. And so I think people will watch your program and hear these answers, and their rational brains will realize you're probably telling the truth, but their emotional beings will be disappointed and left wanting something more.
The 9/11 conspiracy file is certain to remain open for a very long time to come. However distressing and painful that will be for the families of those who died that day.